Hello everyone, this is LG US20A. What I want to do is to show you how to reset this soundbar. This soundbar and TV both are connected together via Bluetooth. Switch TV on. LG US is connected. So go to your TV settings. If you scroll down to sound out, the sound out is showing us Bluetooth device. Now I want us to reset the soundbar. To reset this soundbar, what you need to do is you need to press and hold the volume down button and also AI Sound Pro on the soundbar remote. So select volume minus and AI Sound Pro together. This will disconnect the soundbar. It will show you TV speaker on the sound out. Volume minus button, press and hold it, and also you select AI Sound Pro. Wireless audio has been disconnected. The sound out setting will be changed to TV. Now it's showing us HDMI, so it disconnected and it went back to HDMI because I still have HDMI cable connected to the soundbar. So this is how to reset it. If you remove the HDMI cable, for example, if you unplug the cable, we'll show you TV speaker. So this is how to reset the soundbar. So if you connect this, for example, select Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connection ready.
Bluetooth connection ready. Then go to the TV settings. Select sound out. TV speaker, select on the sound out. Then scroll to the right to Bluetooth device. Scroll down to device list. Select enter. It's now searching for available Bluetooth device. Then select LG US20A. Select on it. Select connect.
Paired.
It's paired. So it will show you two green lights. LG US20A is connected. Then go back to the sound out. It will show you the sound out is connected via Bluetooth device. So go to the TV settings. Scroll down to sound out. Sound out is Bluetooth device. Now to reset the soundbar, so select volume minus and AI Sound Pro together. So volume minus and AI Sound Pro. It will show you the wireless audio device has been disconnected. Then if you look on the sound out, it will show you TV speaker. So this is how to reset the soundbar, and also it will show you that the soundbar is switched off. It will show you a red light. So if you want to connect the soundbar, then you need to switch the soundbar on, then select Bluetooth or connect the cable and connect it via HDMI. So this is how to reset this soundbar. This gear deserves your attention. This is LG US20A. Thank you very much indeed.